Hey everyone, Dave here. So today's video is a little different, but honestly, I think a lot of you guys and gals are gonna find this really interesting, especially if you're into vintage Seiko, JDM watches, or just finding pieces that normally aren't easy to get here in the US. Because today I'm gonna walk you step by step through how I bought a Japanese domestic market Seiko using a site called JPfans. Now, if you've never heard of JPfans before, here's a quick version. It's what's called a Japanese proxy service. Basically, they buy the item for you directly from Japan, they receive it at their warehouse, they'll inspect the items, and then ship them straight to your door. If you've ever tried hunting down vintage Seiko, Citizen, or certain Casio models, then you already know. The best stuff is usually in Japan, and a lot of sellers just don't ship internationally, or it costs a ton of money to get it here stateside. So this basically opens up an entirely different market. Now, before I jump into the walkthrough, just a quick heads up. If you use my link, which is down in the description, or my YouTube About Me section to sign up, you're gonna get a coupon package worth about $86 total, 15% off your first shipping, and up to 50% off your first order. So definitely don't skip that part. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is click the link in my bio or description. And right here is where you'll enter the invitation code. And make sure you don't skip this part because this is what unlocks all of those coupons for you. And once you've signed up, you're in, go ahead and check your coupons. You'll see everything right here. This is where that $86 value comes from. So choose the coupons that work best for you. Fair warning, this is where things get really dangerous for us watch collectors because you can browse through a ton of listings for all different types of products. And obviously for me, I went straight to the watches. Now, one thing I actually like here is you don't have to buy everything instantly. You can add multiple items and build a cart and then decide later. But I did have some items that I had my eye on that ended up, I guess, selling while I had them in my cart. And so I missed out on those. So don't wait too long. Now, this part is huge because before you check out, you can actually estimate your shipping cost. You input the estimated weight, obviously your destination, and that way you're not guessing. You know exactly what you're going to be paying up front, which is super helpful. All right, so here's the watch that I picked up. It is this vintage Seiko Majesta. This thing just caught my eye. I kept going back and forth on it because of the cost, but you can see how much it was. And I mean, I eventually just pulled the trigger on it because this thing looks brand new. It looks like a new old stock, and I love the vintage vibe, the gold tones of it, the day date. So this was the option that I went with, and you can see, how much I paid for the watch. The purchase experience was actually really smooth. Now, this is something that I really like, and I have to point out because JPfans actually sends you QC photos once your item arrives at their warehouse. So you can verify, obviously, the condition, making sure that it matches the listing, and avoid any surprises before it ships out to you. They do also have an add-on, which I selected, which is where they will actually take video of the item as well. Now from here, they'll hold your item at the warehouse and you can combine multiple purchases and then ship everything together, which honestly makes a lot of sense if you plan on buying more than one item, so you're not paying multiple shipping costs. Now I have to be honest with you guys, this is my first purchase through them, so I'm gonna do a follow-up video once the watch actually arrives. In that video, I'll show you obviously the condition, we'll go over the shipping experience, and whether I think the whole process is actually worth using long-term. But if you've been wanting to get into JDM watches or vintage Seiko or just stuff that's really difficult to find over here stateside, this is honestly a really interesting option that I hadn't known about before. So again, link is down below. Use the code when you sign up, grab those coupons. And if you do end up picking something up, drop it in the comment section because I'd love to see what you guys find. Again, my name's Dave. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I'll catch you at the next one. Take care.